This looks delicious. I have no idea what you're going to eat.
There's a big bowl over there.
Actually, it's not over there. Hey there, I'm John.
And I'm Katie, and welcome to Pizza with Plants. You sound a little tired there.
It's been a long day. I have had a long love affair with gnocchi.
Oh my God, it's gnocchi. It's gnocchi.
Gnocchi. I absolutely love it. It's an Italian potato dumpling. And anytime we go to an Italian restaurant, that's what I order. So that's what we're making today. We have tried to make them homemade.
No, they were gluten-free.
No, I've tried to make them gluten-free.
We've made them homemade successfully, but the recent attempts at gluten-free haven't
been successful.
I think we've used too much flour.
Yes.
That's my hypothesis. We have to keep trying.
Yes, we're going to use a store-bought today, and we're
pairing it with our homemade Romesco sauce.
Yes, and she pronounced it correctly.
I called it the right thing.
Yes, so we're pairing the gnocchi with the Romesco sauce, and it is going to be bonkers good.
This is like a simple 3-minute dinner, assuming you have the Romesco sauce already made, which we do in the fridge, or you could make it ahead and freeze it and pull it out, and gnocchi cook so quick.
Yeah, they do.
Anyway, quick to easy dinner, middle of the week.
Yep. Let's get after it.
Yeah.
All right. See ya.
I know using store-bought gnocchi seems like it's cheating, but it is so quick and easy. Just get a pot of boiling water going, salt the water, throw your gnocchi in, and in 3 or 4 minutes, they're going to start floating to the top. Take them out with a strainer, and we're putting them right into a bowl that has some of our Romesco sauce in it. So we're just going to give the gnocchi a quick stir so they're covered by that amazing Romesco sauce. Throw that into a bowl, and then we're just going to finish it off with a little bit of chiffon cut fresh basil, a little bit of vegan parm, and it is amazing. The recipe for this Romesco sauce is down below, and you are absolutely going to love it.
This looks delicious. I have no idea what you're going to eat.
There's a big bowl over there.
Actually, it's not over there.
Well, wherever it went, I'll find it. You
can't. I did that too.
You did not hide it.
Looks super yummy. Super. Looks really, really delicious. Okay. Enough with that. Let's eat. I want to taste this.
I want to bite with the basil. Those are good.
So as we shared, we absolutely use store-bought gnocchi.
But this is simple. This comes together in less than 5 minutes.
Yeah, you could make the Romesco sauce in 10 minutes, boil some water, gnocchi's ready in 3. So like in 20 minutes, you could be eating this. Totally plant-based. And,
yummy.
And gnocchi is just so comforting. It's just a comfort food for me.
Perfect for this hot summer day.
Right. But who cares?
We don't care. It's good. We love pasta all the time.
This was awesome.
And pizza.
Absolutely delicious.
Yep.
So, nicely done.
Yep. That's a good sauce for those.
It is. I agree. Okay.
I thought you were going to give me a high five.
I'll give you a high five. I'll give you a handshake. Hey, nice to meet you. Okay, take us out.
Be kind.
Eat pizza.
With plants.
And gnocchi.
You're ridiculous.
I know.